Dust, moisture, vibration, and UV exposure. Your electronics face it all, and they are only as reliable as the enclosure protecting them. In this RS Product Spotlight, we're highlighting the Hammond 1554 series, rugged, watertight enclosures designed to protect your electronics in real-world environments. The Hammond 1554 series provides secure, water-resistant housing for PCBs, control electronics, and small automation components. Whether installed indoors or outdoors, these enclosures are built to shield sensitive equipment from dust, water, oils, and harsh conditions without complicating installation or maintenance. Here's what makes the 1554 series a trusted choice. Is a gasketed watertight screw cover design with tongue and groove construction that seals out dust and moisture. Durable plastic construction, available in general purpose ABS or UV stabilized polycarbonate. Self-captivating stainless steel screws threaded into corrosion-resistant bushings for repeated access without wear. External wall mounting holes located outside the gasket path, maintaining the enclosure's seal during installation. And clean, professional appearance with light gray housing and optional clear or smoke lids for visibility. It comes in two material options. There's the ABS version that are designed for indoor applications, IP66 rated with IK07 impact protection, operating ranges from -20 Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, and a cost-effective solution for protective environments. And the polycarbonate versions that are UV stabilized for outdoor use, UL and CUL listed with NEMA 4, 4X, 6, and 6P ratings on most models, tested to IP66, IP67, and IP68, and wider operating ranges from -40 Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, with higher impact resistance. The 1554 series is designed to simplify installation. It has integral standoffs and brass inserts for PCB or inner panel mounting, molded thin rail tabs on most sizes for faster component installation, and support for accessories like inner panels, replacement gaskets, mounting feet, breather kits, and core grips, allowing you to customize your application. The Hammond 1554 series is well suited for industrial sensors and instrumentation, control and junction boxes, IoT and edge devices, outdoor monitoring systems, factory automation and building controls, and water treatment and utility applications. Anywhere electronics need compact, reliable protection, the 1554 series delivers. With the Hammond 1554 series, customers gain long-term protection for critical electronics, reduced maintenance thanks to its corrosion-resistant hardware and replaceable gaskets, flexible mounting and configuration options, confidence and compliance with industry-recognized enclosure ratings, and a clean, professional final installation for customer-facing applications. The Hammond 1554 series offers dependable protection, flexible options, and proven performance, indoors or out. Ready to protect your components? Check out these products on RS or reach out to our RS engineering support group to find the right fit for your application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more RS Product Spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.